Electric outlets. Something to marvel, right? You plug something in, electricity flows, and it powers that item. But what about when you can't reach that electrical outlet? You know the one I'm talking about, tucked way behind the couch or bed or wherever, and you can never seem to reach it. Well, I am positively charged about this weekend's New to Lou 2. Get it? It's called the MagicOutlet. MagicOutlet solves that unreachable outlet problem and can relocate that wall outlet so it's within reach without the need to hire a professional. I mean, what a bright idea, right? It's basically an extension cord for your wall outlet that looks like a wall outlet. Now, couldn't you just use a regular extension cord? Sure, but they can be unsightly, get all tangled up, or stick out so that you trip over them all the time. With MagicOutlet, you just plug the cord into the original wall outlet and then use the sticky pads on the back of the MagicOutlet that's not really an outlet, it's more like smoke and mirrors, to the actual outlet. Does that make sense? Huh? The point is your outlet is always going to be accessible with the MagicOutlet. Shocking, right? Never struggle to find that hidden or tough to reach outlet behind your nightstand, couch, desk, microwave, TV cabinet. You get the gist. Ever again. No electricians, no tools, no problem. You can buy the MagicOutlet singular for $24.99, or if you buy two, they go down to $21.99, or buy four, and they go down to $17.99. The more you buy, the more you save.
For more information, check out the HouseSmarts YouTube channel. And be sure to like and subscribe.